Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make homemade hair oil for growing thick and healthy hair. This oil helps stop hair fall and stimulate scalp for new hair growth. If you use it consistently, you will definitely see result in no time. The coconut oil I'm using is from Coconut Merchant. I got the link in the description box below. It's extra virgin and cold press oil, which means it's raw and has all the goodness intact. To make the oil, first of all scoop out oil in pan and let it heat until it's melted. Coconut oil stimulates hair growth, getting deep into its follicles. It also promotes the scalp health, fighting against such problems such as insect bite, lice and dandruff. It also moisturizes your dry hair, adding luster, shine and softness to the hair. It prevents hair breakage and split ends, which contributes to hair length. It is also known for slowing down hair loss. Once the oil is melted, add curry leaves and let it simmer on low heat. You can use fresh curry leaves, however on this occasion I am using dried curry leaves. These are as effective as fresh curry leaves. It's convenient to find in stores. All the products that I am using are in the description box below. Curry leaves not only help hair fall and encourage hair growth, it also prevents premature graying and treat damaged hair. But remember, this oil is very effective if you use it consistently. It's no magic pill. I used this oil for about 2 months couple of years ago, and I used it consistently once a week and I actually saw result. My hair felt much heavier. I do have super thin hair naturally and I'm walking my journey towards thick hair. Therefore, I'm going to use it twice this time, and let me know if you would like me to do an update on my hair. I would be happy to do so. Now as you can see, curry leaf have changed their color to more darker side. Switch off the flame and let it cool down. Make sure you don't let it get solid, as it would be hard to transfer in a jar. You can store this in fridge for about good 2 months, even little more. Now let me tell you how to apply this oil. Whenever you would want to go wash your hair, about couple of hours before, apply this hair generously on your scalp and on the lengths. Make sure the oil is lukewarm and massage well into scalp. And wait for an hour before washing it. The longer the better. So guys, do try it out, and if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss my future videos. Thanks for watching.